The rumbling has begun. Don't worry, I will take care of this. Hold my tea. Caramel. Oh, that was quick. Supermarket! Let me go all out first. He interrupted the transformation. What is wrong with you? Goku, let's punch them all. Alright, let's go. Wait guys, before you destroy the world, let me use the forbidden jutsu first. You mean the stinky finger one? No. This technique is the true pain. Let's go. Shoton! Leigo no jutsu. NANI?! Yeah, you stopped them! Kakashi Hatake! How dare you to use pain that is greater than mine! Let me show you the greatest pain of them all! He's going to use the Malu Balloon! You need to stop him!
Oui, mort. C'est blessé. Je pète ma bière.
I think I have an idea. Use your interrupting jutsu! Yes! This is how it feels! It worked! He interrupted him again!
No one can catch me.
The Nokia Titan. Saitama! Punch.
必殺マジシーマジ殴り
Supermarket Goku! Don't worry, we got the Dragon. He's too strong. Let's run for now. Don't worry, we got this. Maybe finally with the opponent. It doesn't matter if he's strong. We have three, and he's just one. Okay, let's make sure to go all out this time.